Buying bonds on Questrade is a straightforward process that allows you to diversify your portfolio with fixed income investments. Here's how to buy bonds on Questrade. Log into your Questrade account. Visit the Questrade website or use the Questrade app and log in with your username and password. Access the bond marketplace. Go to the Accounts tab and look for the Bond section. Questrade offers access to a variety of bonds, including government, corporate, and municipal bonds. Search for bonds. You can filter bonds by type, issuer, maturity date, and yield. Common options include government bonds, safer but typically lower yield, corporate bonds, higher risk but potentially higher returns. Choose the bond. Once you've identified the bond you're interested in, click on it for more details such as coupon rate, price, and yield to maturity. Place a buy order. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the price and other details, then select buy. Review and confirm. Review your order to ensure everything is accurate and click submit to complete the purchase.